Today, President Biden expected to take executive action to protect abortion access.
This comes 2 weeks after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, ending a constitutional right to the procedure. News4Jax reporter Ashley Harding is joining us now live. Ashley, part of this has to do with potential penalties that women could face in some states.
Jen and Bruce, that is part of it, but the other part of it has to do with patient privacy. Now, the White House has not confirmed what the president will announce today, but sources say President Biden is expected to formalize instructions to the Justice Department and Health and Human Services to push back on efforts to limit a woman's ability to access abortion medication or to limit their ability to travel across state lines to access a clinical abortion service. The executive order also aims to educate medical providers and also insurance companies about how and when they are required to share patient information with the authorities. The president is also expected to ask the Federal Trade Commission to take steps to protect the privacy of those who search for information about reproductive care online. Also happening today, Vice President Kamala Harris will meet with state lawmakers fighting to protect reproductive rights, and that will include leaders from here in Florida. Now, it is important to remember, even with an executive order, the Supreme Court's ruling still puts a limit on what power the federal government has when it comes to abortion. Congress would still need to pass a law to make it legal nationwide. Reporting live this morning, Ashley Harding, Channel 4, the local station.